Division of assets. In divorces, courts divide marital assets. Courts do not divide separate assets. In general, everything that is acquired during the course of a marriage is a marital asset. This includes businesses, and uniquely in New York, the enhanced earnings associated with attaining a degree or a license during the course of a marriage. Realize also that if separate property goes up in value due to the direct or indirect contributions of a non-titled spouse during the marriage, that increase can be considered marital. Anything acquired before the marriage is separate, and anything acquired during the marriage by inheritance, gift, other than from your spouse, or the proceeds of personal injury will be considered separate property. However, in many cases, the separate property gets commingled with marital property and loses its separate property characteristics. We need to review the circumstances of your marriage in order to determine what is marital and what is separate and the likely distribution.